Hello everyone. So have you ever tried the golden milk recipe or my golden milk recipe? If you have never tried this recipe, know you are missing a lot of health and medicinal benefits to your system. Like, this is one of the best things you can do to your system. I'll share with you the benefits while I show you how to come up with yours yourself at home. This milk is actually made with turmeric as one of the main ingredients, plus other very powerful medicinal natural ingredients added in for utmost health benefits. So forget about my yellow tongue. You see, if you're familiar with turmeric, you know it stains a lot, but we don't care about the stain because of the so many health and medicinal properties we need in our system. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you straight away and show you how to come up with this goodness yourself at home. Feel free to share the video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, most importantly. So let's get into it. Voila! So in order to make a golden milk for utmost health benefits, the first ingredient I'll be using will be turmeric. So turmeric is loaded with antioxidants. It contains a compound called curcumin, which prevents oxidative stress, leading to issues like cancer and other health complications. It equally helps to lower your blood pressure, cleanse your blood, cleanse your system from the inside, boost your metabolism. Like, turmeric is very good. It has a lot of health benefits. It glows your skin from the inside by cleansing your organs and your blood, most especially. So this is it in my cup, but you can get it in powder form. If you don't know turmeric, leave me your comments below and I'll link you how to get one for yourself. It is, you can have it fresh and you can equally have it powder form like this. So if you have the fresh turmeric, you can use it. If you have the powder, that is fine, but this is what turmeric is. So this is the first ingredient for the golden milk and the main ingredient, very important. The second ingredient we'll be using will be ginger. Ginger too is from the same family as turmeric. They all contain large amounts of anti-inflammatory properties to heal your system and enable you always stay healthy, most especially by boosting your metabolism so you can flush out waste causing diseases and sicknesses from your system. Boost your metabolism as well so you can easily metabolize food so you don't end up obese, leading to all health issues like hypertension, uh, high blood pressure, all those diabetes because of obesity. So this is to manage your system to always be healthy. So yeah, this is it. I'll be using 1 inch of ginger. You just want to get your ginger and grate 1 inch, which would be equivalent to like a tablespoon of ginger. So this is like a tablespoon, or a teaspoon of ginger is okay, but this is a tablespoon of ginger. So I'll be adding in black pepper in here because black pepper will enable you easily absorb these ingredients for utmost health benefits into your system. So this is black pepper. I'll show you the measurements subsequently when I'm putting everything in my pan. So black pepper is equally very good as it boosts your metabolism as well. So that is the third ingredient. I'll be adding in some cinnamon powder. This is optional. If you don't have it, that is okay, but cinnamon powder is very good, most especially if you are diabetic, you have high blood pressure. Like, it lowers your blood pressure. It is very good as it boosts your metabolism so you can easily flush out waste from your system as well. So I'll be adding in some oil. Oils too are very good to add in this golden milk for proper absorption as well, because this is healthy fats to help you easily like absorb these ingredients in your system. Plus it is very healthy as well, olive oil. So this is my pan or your pot. The next ingredient you want to use is milk. So this is almond milk, but you can use pure water. If you don't have milk, you can use water. So it is still the same. So it is just like milk. That is why you're using milk. But if you don't have almond milk, you can use pure water. So I'll start by adding the ingredients. That is my tablespoon of turmeric I'm adding in there, and I'll be adding in the ginger. That is the tablespoon of ginger I'm adding in there, your tablespoon of ginger. And I'll be adding in the like half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. That is half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and black pepper. You can add a pinch of black pepper, like half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I'll be adding this oil much later. I don't want to cook the oil in here now, so I'll like bring this to cook a little bit on low heat, and I'll add the oil later with some honey in here. So you want to start by stirring. You can add a little bit of water if you want it a little bit lighter. So you can add a little bit of water, but this consistency is really good and very rich. So you want to stir to allow it to really cook. This golden milk is very good. As you noticed, I put in turmeric, cinnamon powder, ginger, like all those powerful ingredients that heal, that cleanses your system, that boosts your metabolism so you can easily metabolize and break down food without store up, causing obesity, which leads to health complications like high blood pressure, diabetes, and the rest. So you want to add in your oil. I'll be adding a tablespoon of oil after I have cooked for like 10-15 minutes, and I take it out of the fire. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So this is for proper absorption, and it is very healthy as well. You see our milk is gradually coming through our milk. So you mix, and I will let it to sit and cool down a little bit more, and I'll add in some honey. This is very good for health. It has a lot of health benefits. If you want to stay healthy, like, this milk should be your friend. You will hardly have inflammations. This will help lower your blood pressure. This will help you metabolize food so fast without food store up, leading to obesity, which leads to hypertension, high blood pressure, diabetes, and the rest. Like, this is so healthy. So I'll be adding in some honey, but if you are diabetic, you can skip the honey. You don't need sweeteners if you are diabetic. So if it is just for health benefits, you can add your honey for sweetness, because honey is healthy. But if you are already in that situation that they restrict you from sweeteners or anything sweet, you can skip the honey. But for now, if you are okay for just health benefits, you can add a little bit of honey to it for taste. So this is it, so rich and so healthy. Like, this is something you want to consume if you want to prevent and fight diseases and always be healthy, free from diseases and sicknesses. Fall in love with this golden milk. Like, this is it is part of my daily life now. One of my healthy recipes I alternate, and trust me, when I consume these, most especially before going to bed, I sleep so well at ease without all the restlessness. It is so healthy, and you free yourself from high blood pressure because it lowers your blood sugar levels, your cholesterol levels, your blood. Like, this is so healthy. I don't know how to reiterate enough. Just fall in love with it if you want to live a healthy life, because all of the benefits, most especially the turmeric, it is very good because of the oxidant properties that help prevent oxidative stress, which leads to cancer. Very important. You want to fall in love with turmeric. So yeah, I hope someone found this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and strong, most importantly. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.